On to it for the U.S. Supreme Court just agreed to hear a case on who is allowed to handle your ballot here in Arizona. Did you know it's against the law right now to give your early ballot to a neighbor or a coworker maybe to turn it in for you? A 2016 Arizona law says no one can touch your ballot except a family member, caregiver, or the U.S. Postal Service.
It's designed to protect the integrity of the process. We don't want political candidates, we don't want political parties, or anyone else handling your ballot.
A lower court struck this down, so State Attorney General Mark Brnovich appealed to the U.S. Supreme Court, saying it's not a partisan issue. It's about protecting the integrity of the election. About 20 states have a law like this.
In the environment we are today, that if one side's in favor of something, the other side's going to be against it. And that's really unfortunate. Everything is becoming so politicized. And, I sit back and I look back, look at statutes American. I want to make sure my ballot's counted.
He says there have been issues keeping the integrity of the election in check with both parties.
In 2018, there was a congressional election in North Carolina. You had a Republican candidate whose election was overturned because he had engaged in ballot harvesting and destroyed ballots that weren't for him.
And while the High Court agreed to hear this case, it won't happen before this election and probably not till next year.
I hope that they send a very strong message that common sense election integrity measures are not unconstitutional.
We reached out to the other side and are still waiting to hear back. The DNC challenged the law, saying it discriminates against minorities like Latinos and Native Americans who, for a long period of time, have relied on others to turn in their ballots once they've been filled out.